Hi, this is Deborah here, and today I'm going to be making some Christmas soap, and I'm going to be using some the fragrance oil that I'm using today. Actually, it's essential oil. I'm using some peppermint essential oil, some cedarwood oil, some firm needle essential oil. I did say peppermint, and some lemongrass, and it smells really good. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my lye up. It's really a beautiful day outside today. It's been really cool, but today is just amazing. It's just a really beautiful day. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this to a light trace, well, somewhat of a light trace, and then I'm going to add my other ingredients. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and add my cream here, my cow cream. I need to get a little spatula here to get it all out. Oh, and by the way, I am soaping at room temperature. I'm going to be doing a swirl Christmas soap, so hopefully it will do good. I'm going to go ahead and add my kaolin clay. And if you never made cold processed soap before, you really want to get it comfortable with it. Get it under your belt. There's a person that's teaching really basic. It is called the Soap Queen. You can find her on YouTube, and she also has her website. And if you follow her basics, it's really going to help you. So this is not a tutorial to teach you how to do it. I'm just basically showing you how I do it. I do have my safety gloves on. I have my goggles on, and I also have some vinegar just in case you spill. And what vinegar is good for, it kind of neutralizes the lye if you get it on your skin. So you want to be very careful, because this is really a dangerous process right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend all of this together. And I'm going to add my fragrance oils probably after I put the colors, just in case it wants to kind of over. Sometimes it seizes, or it could just make the soap get too thick, because I'm trying to do a swirl, so I'm just going to add that into the batter last. Okay, from this point, I think I'm going to go ahead and just kind of stir it a little bit. Not do so much with the immerser, because I don't want it to get too firm on me, because I do want to swirl. It makes it hard to swirl when it gets too thick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour this up in my containers here. I'm going to be using a red High Heel by BeScent. Let me make sure I can talk today before I get carried away here. I'm going to be using Red High Heel Color by BeScent, and I'm also going to be using Green Apple by BeScent. I did put another little colors in it to get it just a little bit more, pearlized. It's really pretty, that color. Added actually a little bit of blue into it. And this is my red, and it's really pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pour some of this up, and hopefully I am in the camera here. So it's going to be red, green, and white. I'm going to keep those Christmas colors there. Okay. Okay, so let's see, red and green, and I have an extra one there. I'm just trying to see if I wanted to make this all white, and I guess I would. So I'm going to pull this back because I do want this to be all white and that to be red and green. I changed my mind. Okay. I guess I could have kept this extra one, but I just kind of don't think I need it. So, okay, there we go. So we're going to use, I'm going to go ahead and put some titanium dioxide in that to make it whiter. Okay, now I will need to use the merger with that to blend it all in. It blends in really good. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my fragrance to this, to the white. And I'm just going to use the spoon here, spatula, to stir it in really good. I'm going to go ahead and pour this up. Hopefully I'm still in the camera. I know what I was going to do. So I was going to save some white. So I had it right, but just couldn't seem to grab hold to what I was going to do there. Okay. It's getting really full there. So I'm going to put this aside there. And I'm going to go ahead and scrape the bowl, the pan here, really good. Don't want to leave any extra there. Every little bit counts. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some, I think I'll go ahead and add my colorant first. before I put the fragrance in there. Okay. I'll go ahead and mix it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add some fragrance in that one. Okay. I probably should have did the green first before I did the red, so because it's a lighter color there. Let's just see if I can get a little bit of that off there. Okay, so I'll set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and do the green now. Green seemed a little bit light, but I like that. I think it's pretty. Well, let me go ahead and add my fragrance into that. Okay, that is enough of that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do my swirl here. And hopefully I'm still in the camera there. Thickening up there a little bit. Okay, not sure how much more I'm going to get on there. I do have some extra little containers there. Okay, so let's see here. Just going to go ahead and put this on real lightly. Hopefully it won't go through there. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and take my chopstick and just kind of go ahead and swirl it inside there. Tap on it a little bit there. Get the air bubbles out of it. It's getting a little bit thicker there. Just want to put a few little colors there. Just going to drop a few there. Okay, and I do have a little bit of gold. I'm going to go ahead and kind of put on it. Just kind of give it that finishing look there. Okay, I think I'm just going to go around it just a little bit there. Still a little more fluent than I had hoped for, although I didn't want it to get too thick. Okay. Just going to swirl the top just a little bit there.